You already know me. Hey guys, today we're doing a water-free wig wash. Hey guys, it's Groovy Tony. Make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell because I post new content regularly. Guys, I'm really excited because today I'm going to wash some of these wigs, okay? Some of them are not a mess, some of them are just a mess, and I think it's time to take care of them. I've been moving, so I haven't had the time to actually go in for a deep wash, but my mom just got me this Au Naturel professional rinse-free cleanser. It's supposed to be a water-free way to shampoo and clean. It is for wigs, weave, and synthetic and natural hair, okay? So I'm really excited for this. The instructions are pretty simple and straightforward. They want you to start out with a dry wig. I'm gonna start with this blue one because I did the purple the other day, and really just spray it, leave the spray on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then blow dry it or towel dry it. Now first, I'm gonna work out some of these knots before I even spray it. Now we're gonna take our spray, and it just wants you to apply it to the dry hair and then leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then blow dry or towel dry. So let's see. It's supposed to get rid of buildup and residue and odor. Which luckily mine don't really stink, but this does smell. It smells good. I mean, it almost smells like hairspray, but it smells a little bit better. Like it's something added to it. I want to get the ends too, because my ends are like fried. And I know it says to just like wet it and then blow dry, but I'm gonna give it a nice comb through. Oh, it's wet. Originally this was supposed to be a shake and wear wig, so I do, like while I'm washing it, give it a little shake. Yo. So for me, I felt like this one was more damaged along the bottom, and a good cleaning could help. And I haven't even given it a blow dry, but it looks nice again at the bottom so far. I mean, nicer than it did. It looked beat. And this isn't a real wash. This is just this spray, no water wash. I don't know, I feel like that feels like it went through a good wash. And it wants us to let it sit for 10 minutes. So I'll put you back on your hook. We're gonna give you 10 minutes before we give you a little blow dry. In the meantime, let's check out the next one. Cool. I love this one. My friend Joanna actually gave me this one when I was still at my previous job. And she's amazing, and this is probably one of the fullest, heaviest, funnest wigs I have, most fun wigs. And I love the little bangs that are already like put into it. I feel like I've used this one so much, this one needs a cleaning, and it just needs full-on maintenance and like taming. So I think I'm gonna repeat the process here and give it a nice little brush out and then spray it while we wait for that one. This one just looks bad at the bottom. It's actually not too bad. It just looks like big and frizzy. That's the style of hair it is, which I love. It's very blue Trixie Mattel. So like before, give your hair a nice little brush in to get rid of knots, make sure it looks and feels good. Then take your dry hair and give it a little spritz. You know, this is a lot of hair, so I'm going to give it a lot. Now that the spray is in, I'm going to give it another brush out to work it through all of the hair. It doesn't say it's a detangler, but kind of like water, this should just make it so much easier. Alright, so we give it a nice brush out, sprayed it, detangled with the spray. We're gonna give this bad boy a 5 to 10 minute break. This guy here is ready for a nice little blow dry. So we put the other one in for its 5 to 10 minute break, and now we're bringing this one back out. It still feels a little wet. After the 5 to 10 minutes, they want you to give it a blow dry or a towel dry. So we're gonna use our Diva Curl blow dryer. We're gonna blow it out. Wow, this actually feels amazing. It smells so good. Oh, it's definitely smoother. You know what, I'm gonna give it a little bit more wave, volume, and oomph with the hand diffuser. Come on, Diva Curl, all the attachments. I'll make it feel like I'm raking my hand through the damn hair. She looks great. She has a shine to her, a little bit more volume. Actually looks a little bit more real. I like it. I don't know, let's give it a try. Oh, yeah, I love it. I love this spray. It feels good. You can still smell it after. I think it's a little bit too much because I just sprayed it, so it's like a lot, but it's not a bad smell. The hair looks good. It's much easier to manage, and it feels amazing. So now it's time for our big boy. Oh, this one does still feel a little wet though. I want to give it a nice good blow dry, just like the other one. So I'm coming back in with our Diva Curl. Still feel a little moisture, but let me give it a nice little brush out. Now, mind you, she is meant to have volume, so she looks nice and fluffy and ready to go. I love it. Actually, let's pop her on. Oh, I love this. I love the way this came out. I usually style this one very differently, so like it might look a little weird because it's pie shaped. But I love this freaking wig, and I love the way it came out. It feels good. It smells good. So we're not going to go through all of them. The next one I want to try is probably my worst off wig, which is my, oh my god, it's like sticky. My original blue wig, you guys may remember from all of my OG videos. This one had a little accident with orange juice, and it still smells citrusy. And when I'm all like really settled down, I probably still need to give it a good wash. But it's kind of sticky and dense. So I want to try this out and see if it helps at all. Oh my god. Yeah. So it's already dry. So let's see if we can give it a little bit of a brush through. It's sticky. Oh, so sorry here. I'm so sorry. Aside from the thick, heavy one, this one, this is my favorite aside from that. Yeah, this needs a lot of help, so I'm gonna just start spraying. Baby, I hope this brings you back to life. Oh, it's like sudsing on this one. It's different. It's like it knows this one's dirty. Instantly, the sticky parts are undoing themselves. Like I can actually easily brush through this. That's actually amazing. Because this was really bad. Like so much so that it's probably still gonna need another spray down. Like right after I brush it. So just like our other one, we're gonna give this one 10 minutes. I know I said that would be the last one, but while we wait for that one, I'm actually gonna take the one I've been using lately and give it a good wash. This one actually was curly to begin with, and then I did the Chi flat iron, of course, and straightened it out. I eventually want to bring its curls back, but it needs a good wash. So let's see, maybe some moisture will, like real hair. Give it a nice good brush through. Alright, we're gonna go. I do see some wave formation. Let me stop. We're gonna give this one 10 minutes also. Alrighty. Let's check this bad boy out. You've been hanging for 10 minutes. Ooh, you still feel drenched. In a good way. Comb through. The sticky part feels like nothing. Alright, let's blow dry this bad boy. Oh, she's still moist. Oh, she didn't care how much we blow dry. Oh, but it's coming out so nice. Alright, let's get in there. I'm still feeling a little bit of moisture, like it needs a little bit more drying, but this looks and feels amazing. All of that stickiness is gone. Gone, babe. You already know me. Oh yes, I love this. I feel like I'm back. Oh, this is the OG, and she looks brand new. Yes, she feels good too. I feel like she still needs a little bit more drying, so I'm gonna do that while it's on my head. But bitch, she looks amazing. Yes, alright. Now that Groovy Tony is back with the blue, it's time to blow dry and ready this one out. This is the last one we're playing with today. And, oh my god, this one came out great. I don't know, I think that this spray did a really good job. I still want to give, personally, this one a really deep clean. But for what this did, I can't complain. Like, it got the sticky part out. It doesn't smell like orange juice anymore. It smells like that spray, which, to give you an idea, I guess kind of smells like Garnier Fructis. Which I know some people don't like. But this did a really good job. And the purple one was pre-washed with this liquid. So we did the purple, the light blue, this one, and then the one I'm wearing, that's about 5 wigs. And I'm about down to here on the bottle. So that's actually pretty good. I can't complain too much. I mean, I use more shampoo and conditioner on my real hair than what I just did with this. So that's really good. This is the On Natural, 100% natural, rinse-free cleanser. And it is a water-free shampoo for wigs, weave, synthetic, and natural hair and it worked pretty well. I did the blow dry method as opposed to the towel dry, and I think it worked out pretty great. I think that they look really, really good. I especially love this one. I recommend it. I give it a good recommendation. If you're traveling, if you're on the go, if you're moving quickly, this is great. If you don't have time to stop and actually get to washing, this is a really, really great little cleanser for on the go. I love it. Again, right now I'm in the middle of moving and building, so I haven't had time to do a deep cleanse. So this is pretty damn fantastic. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me and having fun with my wig collection. Guys, that was really, really cool. Again, we did a product review for the On Natural Rinse-Free Cleanser. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more content like this, comment and let me know. Guys, as always, it's Groovy Tony. Make sure that you like, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment.